Hey guys, welcome back to another Makeup Monday! Today we're going to be continuing our Pride Month makeup and we're going to do the trans flag! I love the trans flag, it's so pretty. I love doing makeup with those colors, so I'm really excited. So let's go, let's do it! Okay, so to start out with, I cut out a couple tiny little hearts from some paper. I'm gonna take these little hearts, I'm gonna put some water on them, and I'm gonna put them on my eyelid. And just dabbing it with water so that it kind of sticks there better. Alright, so I got those on my face, as you can see. Now, I'm going to be doing it in two different colors, just in case you want one with like more of a pink focus, or one with more of a blue focus. So I'm going to show you how it looks on both eyes. I'm going to start off on this eye and I'm going to put some blue. I'm dabbing that on a makeup brush and I'm just going to pat that around the heart and all over my eyelid. Now I'm blending it underneath my eye and just blending it outwards. I'm going to do the same thing in pink on the other eye. Alright, now we're going to peel off those hearts. With some pink water activated eyeliner on the blue side, I'm going to trace around that heart. On the other side, I'm going to take some water activated blue liner and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to trace the heart over on the pink side with the blue. Now I'm going to go in with some white eyeliner and I'm going to add some sparkles around the heart because gender. Now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner and I'm going to make a thinner wing than I usually do. So I'm going to drag it down just a little bit and then out. And then I'm just going to pull in from there. And I'm only gonna take it about halfway to my eyelid and then fill it in. Alright, so not only did I do a smaller wing than I normally would do, I'm also gonna put on smaller lashes than I normally would wear. Okay, but like, look at how cute! Look at how cute! Look! It's so cute! It's so... Alright, this is the look! I hope you guys love it. I think it's so adorable. I'm over here like, I'm adorable. But anyway, guys, I have one more look to do for the Pride Month, which I will be posting on Wednesday. So if you guys want a specific look, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please, 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 please have a safe and fun Pride Month. Alright, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. I love you. Bye! We're just gonna ignore the fact that I had lipstick on my teeth.